The Prime Minister this week met with Japanese business leaders and last week met with the Chinese President. In a bid to boost the UK's post-Brexit opportunities, the EU's chief Brexit negotiator has warned the UK about leaving the customs union, which could mean a border is created between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. Remaining in the customs union would thwart Britain's chances of being able to sign trade deals with countries across the globe. Speaking exclusively to Express.co.uk, Anastassia Beliakova, head of trade policy at British Chambers of Commerce, remains confident that Britain will soon be signing trade deals, but admitted it could still take some time. She said, "Once we have left the European Union, we certainly can have an independent trade policy." Express Getty Brexit News. Anastassia Beliakova explained Britain's post-Brexit trade policy. "Indeed, we have seen that it is a very important political ambition for the UK government. Will we sign new trade deals? Definitely. How long will it take to sign them? That still remains to be seen. At the moment there are preliminary discussions, there has been some scoping out, but we are not yet allowed to sign our full, really comprehensive trade deals as a member of the EU. There might be a bit of time between us leaving the EU and the signing of these deals, but I'm certain that there will be some forthcoming. Will we sign new trade deals? Definitely." Anastassia Beliakova. America and Australia were among countries who appeared keen to sign trade deals with Britain in the aftermath of the EU referendum. The European Union is expected to make Britain wait until after the transitional period before the UK can sign new trade deals with countries. Downing Street this week confirmed Britain will be leaving the customs union after Brexit, allowing the UK to sign trade deals with countries across the globe. During the Prime Minister's trip to China at the beginning of the month, the International Trade Secretary also ruled out being in the customs union as it would hinder Britain's opportunities post-Brexit. He told Bloomberg, "It is very difficult to see how being in a customs union is compatible with having an independent trade policy, because we would therefore be dependent on what the EU negotiated in terms of its trading policies, and we'd be following behind that. We have to be outside of that to take advantage of those growing markets. One of the reasons we are leaving the European Union is to take control, and that's not possible with a common external tariff." The European Union's chief Brexit negotiator Michel Barnier has warned the UK that if it is not part of the customs union, a border may be implemented in Ireland, placing the Good Friday Agreement at risk. Monday, February 5, 2018, Michel Barnier and David Davis head to Downing Street for lunch meeting. He said, "If these disagreements persist, the transition is not a given. To be frank, I'm surprised by these disagreements. The positions of the EU are very logical. It is important to tell the truth. A UK decision to leave the single market and to leave the customs union would make border checks unavoidable. The sooner the UK makes its choices, the better. I wasn't talking about a threat when I talked about the transition." The comments come after the Frenchman earlier the week told the UK it had to make up its mind on what it wanted in the second phase of negotiations.